Hey guys, it's Mozzy. That's right, I'm not in New York. I'm in Florida. I decided to take my 4Runner from New York to Florida, take a drive, see how it is. I'm not here to talk about the vehicle. I'm here on vacation. That's right, vacation. Took a little vacation to see my family in Bradenton, New York. I'm actually in Bradenton Park, right behind Toyota, next to Walmart. So what am I here for? I'm here to show you a quick maintenance air filter and cabin filter for this vehicle. I hit 10,500 miles on the way down. I already did the oil change before I left. I did the drive shaft maintenance right before I left. So now the only thing for me to do is the air filter and the cabin filter. Toyota recommends to do it between 15 to 30,000 miles. Check it at 10,000 miles intervals. I do just change, since I'm going to check it, I might as well change it out. I'm there. It's gonna take me 3 minutes to do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. This is the air filter. This is the cabin filter. So let me show you how to do it. So here's the engine bay. This filter right here. This is the filter, the air box. There's 4 clips, 4 little clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see it right. It's placed here, like that. Comes out. Now, put everything back. All right, now the cabin filter. Cabin filter right here. You open your glove compartment. There's gonna be a little, looks like a little tray with 2 tabs right here, which I'll show you right now. Like this, you press down here, both at the same time. Comes out. And it's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Put it down here. There we go. There's 2 tabs right here. Pull out. That's very fast it comes out. And here's your, see how it says up? Here comes your cabin filter. And it's pretty dirty. From 1 year worth of use. Dirty. Compare to this one. See? This one Toyota part number right there, and it says up. So see how dirty this one is compared to that one. All right. And we'll do the same thing. Put it right here. Put it right in. Also, a little trick. If you want a little smelling, also a little trick. If you want your car to smell, let's say you go on a date, or you just want your car to smell nice, you can put a little cologne in here. Just a little spray, just one little tab spray, and your car will smell like the cologne for a couple of days. Or if you want to add a little scent, add a little tiny tab, just right in the middle here, just a tiny tab will, like any ointments, oils, just put little tabs to have a nice scent. You put just a little bit of dash in here and it will smell like whatever you put here. So just a food for thought. So how you install it, there's a big opening. So make sure nothing drops there. If you have any debris, just make sure you hold it. And you put that filter right back in like that. Put the cover, it says up right here, see it? Where is it? Right there, it says up. On, and then this way, you see little tabs here, they're on the bottom. And that's it, done. Hey guys, thank you for watching this install. This maintenance really took me about 3 minutes. It took me a little longer to set up all the cameras and stuff, but yeah, enjoying the little park right here. Took a few minutes to do the maintenance. Toyota dealerships right there. I want to stop by. got the air intake, air filter, and the cabin filter. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, and take care till next time.